Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to easily withdraw money from Wallapop, whether you're selling or receiving payment. Let's get started. First, open your Wallapop app on your device. Once you're in the main screen, tap on the icon of your profile in the lower right corner to access your account. Now, look for the option that says Wallet. Tap on it to see your available balance. In the wallet section, you will see your balance and a button that says Withdraw. Press it to begin the withdrawal process. You will now be prompted to link a payment method if you haven't done so already. Select your bank account or add one by following the on-screen instructions. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw and confirm the transaction. Wallapop will process it and you'll receive a notification once the money has been transferred to your bank account. That's it. Now you know how to withdraw money from Wallapop, as simple as that.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.